Hello, Sudoku friends, we are back again. Nice to see you back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 6th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku. And before I start, let me count the printed numbers. I think 24, but we will see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus 2, 17, plus 3 is 20, and 4 is 24. Yes, correct. Alright, so let's get started. We see here 9 in this column, A9 in the middle column. So the column next, only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And then, let me see. I cannot continue with the 9. Let's see with another digit. How about the number 2 in this row? 5 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. So in this big square we have a 1 and a 2, so no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. The missing numbers are the 9, the 3, and the 5. We see here a 3, so no 3 in this box. Here 3, no 3 in that box. The only box left for the 3 should be here. The 9 and the 5 are left. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And then we have let me see. Which number? 1. Seven in the last column. 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. Yes. In this big square, 5 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. That means, yeah, in one of those 2 boxes, in the second row, we have a 7. I need a pair to eliminate some. In this this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. So in this big square, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. 3 and 6. How about yeah, I'm thinking. The 1. Here we have a 1, 1. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Well. 5, 5. 6, 4, 7. We have in this row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, 4, 7. That means 6, 4, 7 in this big square cannot be 6, 4, 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 6, 4, 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 6, 4, 7, 6, 4, 7, 6, 4. That means the other 3 numbers, 6, 4, 7, are the numbers 8, 9, and the 3. 8, 9, and the 3. I marked them for you. 8, 9. Oh, we have a 9 here. 8, 3. 8, 9, and a 3. 8, 9, and a 3. Oh, we have here an 8. So the 9, 3, and the 8, 9, 3. Yes. I cannot fill this yet. That means 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then if he also a 6. Alright. In this column, 3 or 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here a 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And then in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be here. Now 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And then the other 3 numbers in this big square are the numbers 4, 6, and the 8. 4, 6, and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But I see here a 3, and I have marked those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the last column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see now a 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. Now I have two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there, 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. How about these three numbers? The missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. The 5 and the 2 are left. 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have a pair, 2 and a 5. 9 and 1, 9 and 4. Alright. We have here two numbers in the middle row. The two missing numbers are the 1 and the number 5. Can I fill this yet? No, 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 no. Need to wait. How about the 3? 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7, 6, and 4. 6, 4, 7. 6, 4, 7. And now we have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the middle big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these two boxes. One box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 is missing. 1 is missing. Then these two numbers, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the number 8 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And now, one, four, and 6. No, I cannot. 6. These 3 numbers in this column. Missing numbers here, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, 2, 5, and the number 6, I believe. Yes, 2, 5, 6. That means 1 number left in this big square. 2, 5, 6. This should be the number 1. Yes. So we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, the 9 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row. The numbers are the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. Can I fill this yet? 6 and 5? Yes, we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 here, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 here, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow, I'm surprised because 4-star Sudokus usually 30 minutes or more. That is really a 4 stars. But is this really a 4 stars? No, maybe 2 or 3 stars. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will later on continue with the binary puzzle, the 4th puzzle. You can download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. I will see you later. So bye bye for now. Alright, bye bye.